Has working with AI video aged you? It definitely has me. I wanted to test out Runway's Restyle video feature, so I thought no better way than to age myself. To do so, I just loaded a driving video into Runway, then clicked on this little button down here, which brings up a first frame download. I was able to take that frame and up-res it using Topaz Photo AI. And then I dropped it into Photoshop using their neural filters, specifically the Smart Portrait, with some tweaks really quick. Made myself looked old, just adjusted the sliders to how I thought I would look in about 10-15 years. Exported that, brought that right back into Runway. There's a nice little upload button right here. And I didn't even do any sort of prompting. I just uploaded it, hit generate, and a few minutes later, had a new video of me being old. That needed to be upscaled using Topaz Video AI to match the resolution of the driving video, which was 1080p. Once that was done, I brought it into Adobe Premiere, layered the driving video and the new video from Runway on top of each other and made sure that they matched. And then I simply just did a quick mask over my new old face and then had to adjust the position of my new head to make sure that it matched the rest of the clip. It was off a little bit, just that's what Runway does with their thing. And then I had to go through and adjust the mask, just doing like little tweaks here and there to make sure it fit quite well. And eventually I got a nice working video of me young and then with a fade transitioning to old. Thought this was a great start, so I turned all the clips into a nested sequence and did a color correction on top of that, tweaking it just to blend the two layers together, and then also going back into the original clip and doing some adjustments to make sure that they matched and seeing the same skin tone and things like that. Once that was complete, I duplicated the layer and added a Gaussian blur, blurred the top layer just to make it take a little bit of the edge off. So you blur the top layer and then I pulled back on the opacity just so it just slightly blurry to add just a little bit of camera blur to the effect. Most people wouldn't even notice it. So here we go. Here's me turning old. I can't wait to explore Runway's new feature more. I'd like to see what you guys are doing, so please hit me up. As always, be well, do good, and make awesome things.